Yeah.
All right, go ahead and get what you think's valuable out of the house, in case it stovepipes down. A little more, or color good?
That looks good.
That'll work.
Just put some orange on her and let's do it. 8 pounds, right? 8 pounds.
Yep. We backed off from 10. Antoine was scared, and we didn't want him to.
Okay, let's get a look at what exactly we're shooting here. Here's the base of the tree, hole cut, target going in there. Here is the whole tree. I'm going to guess about 50 feet, 60 feet high.
That's what you call taking a tree down right there.
That's awesome. They broke in 2 pieces.
3.
That was ridiculous.
Look at this cloud.
Here's some shrapnel.
Oh my god.
Damn! Here's another piece. Hey, this is
And that's a good 60 yards away.
oh man! It completely blew it apart.
It went down. Look how far it went down. Oh my god! It like tilled the earth too.
Yeah, you can see all.
Look at that.
It snapped it off. It didn't just break over.
Wow.
You can't even see where the hole was that I.
No. You can see where it
That
exploded
took-
downwards.
That took about 3 feet of tree out. There's 3 feet of tree all
Just
over.
missing.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's no mark where we even cut that at.
Nope.
Well, the hole was right here.
Yep.
I just took it apart, set it down, and dropped it over.
Here, I'll fill that plug back in.
Something else we discovered. This tree next to it. This tree across the driveway. This tree about 30 feet away. Well, sports fans, that one was so good. We've decided to do another one. So we've got this little guy. We're going to test to see how many pounds it takes to take it down. So we'll keep you updated. How's it fit? Like a glove. Oh man.
Operation Tree Suppository is a go.
Yes, kids.
Huh, did hit my truck.
I felt the good take on that one. You can see it go through the trees. But it set that one off. I mean, you see how it moved clear over here as well.
That's great. The goal is to blow it in half, right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, shit.
Damn.
You know, it didn't quite do it, but
It
I'd
took some of the top off.
I'm gonna say close enough on that.
Took a hell of a chunk out of it.